After you submit your application, you'll notice a tab titled Document Center. This is here so we can verify your information when needed. In this video, we will go over the most commonly required documents and what the submission process will look like. For all submissions, you can click on the icon that reads Upload File under each document type. My example here will be a high school transcript. Pick your file, open, and then it will be attached to that document type. Just to review what type of documents we commonly need, first will be identity documents. Typically, this is a photo ID. When photo ID is required, we need 3 photos submitted, one each for the front and back of the state-issued ID or driver's license, as well as a selfie. The selfie helps us verify that the student is the one who uploaded their ID. High school transcript. We sometimes need to confirm high school information, such as your graduation date, through an unofficial copy of your high school transcript. If you have this document, it can simply be uploaded. If you do not possess a copy, you can request an official copy to be sent through parchment.com or directly from your school. These requests can be sent to admissions@schoolcraft.edu. Social Security Card. There are times when Social Security numbers are entered incorrectly. In these scenarios, photos of the front and back of the Social Security card can be uploaded to correct the error. The Documents tab is a secure platform, but you can also bring your card in person if that is more comfortable. It is imperative that your Social Security number is correct in our system, as this can impact your financial aid processing. Proof of residency. In some cases, we will need a student to confirm their address. Typically, this is to confirm your tuition rate based on your residency. When this is requested, many items can satisfy the requirements. A lease, state-issued ID, or utility bill are the most frequently submitted documents. As a reminder, the application is a secure platform that will keep your information confidential. The intention of the Document Center is to make the process for any requested items to be as quick as possible so you are ready to move forward with enrollment. We also are happy to accept your documents via email at admissions@schoolcraft.edu or in person at the Admissions and Welcome Center. If you ever have trouble utilizing the Document Center or would like to check on the status of your submission, please contact the admissions office at 734-462-4683.